This is tutorial 2, exercise 4. For this exercise, you will learn new features where we call it as loft, extrude, and also shelf features. So for loft extrude, basically when we extrude a 2D sketch, extrude boss, it will have a uniform. It will have a uniform of cross sections. If let's say you want to extrude something that having a different cross section for the extrude, you can decide to use loft. For shelf features, for any solid model, if we want to remove to make the models become hollow with certain thickness of shell, we can use these shelf features. Okay, let me start. Okay, for this unit system is mm, so we'll start from new. The unit system is mm. So for loft, we need to create the different profiles. So in this case here, we need to have different planes. So I will start from top plane here. Maybe I will start create the plane first. So I need to create the plane, and this plane is, I will create the planes. So at the bottom here, I will sketch a rectangles with 80 times 80. Then I need to create a second plane on the top here. So here will be our top plane. On the top here, it will be your plane 1. So the distance between top plane and plane 1 is 100. So when we create a plane, I will select top plane. Then I will choose offset distance of 100. So you will have two planes like this. Then confirm. Okay, to let you see better, your top plane, we will show the top plane. So basically you will have two planes like this. So for the first plane, we will sketch a square. So for this, I will start a center rectangles with the dimension of 80. Okay. So if you want to continue to sketch on plane 1, you may need to exit sketch. Then your plane 1, click sketch. Same, we use center rectangles. Sketch another square, but the dimension is 50. Okay, but my here, I think I have some mistake here. I need to constrain. Okay, how I make these constraints is if you can't constrain, I will start over again. Undo. Okay, by right it should able to constrain. Okay, it's okay. I just undo. So by right, I should start a center rectangles. I need to make sure it's constrained at the midpoint, and I sketch. So you see, you will show a dilation constraint. Just now when I add, it's not form a constraint. It is not form a coincidence. It won't constrain at the middle. So this is 50. So it's look like this. Then I will exit sketch. So basically you will see you have two profile like this. You have two sketch like this. Then what we can do here is a loft features. When you click loft features, the first you need to select the profile. So the profile I will select, click this, sketch 1, click this, sketch 2. Then it will show you, it will form extrude like this. This is a loft features. Okay, but your questions, we need the extrude is like twisted. So what we can do for this, do you see this? The profile line is straight. So we can select this, click, drag this line to somewhere the other edge. So we just twisted the extrude line. See? Then confirm. So the extrude, it will become like this. Okay, the last step, we need to turn this become a shell. So here we have a shell features. Click on shell. Here, what is the shell thickness you need? So we need 3. Then I will select here, because here I'm going to have a open here. I will select here, click confirm. So if I click here, it will open and it allows to form a shell. It will remove everything inside here to remain a shell with 3 mm thickness. So if you want to check how is the inside look like, we can use this section view. For section view, we must use plane. Let's say I select front plane, I click on the section view, and you will see the section view. We have a handle here. It allow you to move the plane, so the view, it will like cut into half. It will allow you to see what happened inside. Confirm. It will allow you to see how it look inside here. Okay, if you don't want, you can turn off. So for your quiz, you need to assign materials. If you cannot find any materials here, you can go to edit materials. There are more materials in the library. Okay, there is more material in the library. Okay, remember, assign materials and check for the mass properties to answer the quiz. Okay, so that's it for this exercise.